Yesterday I explained you in the class the solving method of solving the quadratic equation by completing square method. Okay, the step by step solutions we followed here, and some of the students wrote me to solve the questions, third number question by me. So I am going to tell the question number third by the method of completing square. Okay, there is third question I am explaining you. You may see this on the screen here, and how the method is employed here. You just well understand here, this very simple method. And is that clear, guys? You may see this and how this is. Take the third question. Okay, you see the question number third. Where is that? Yeah. Yes. The third question is before you, completing square method. So what is the task here? First, the completing square method. First you will take 4 of x square plus 4 of root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So first these two terms to be remain here, and this is to be transferred to the right. So 4 of square plus 4 of root 3 x and minus 3. The first step completed. Now the coefficient of x square to be here 1. So divide either side by 4. So it shall be x square, and 4 is there also, root 3x, and here minus 3 by 4. Is that clear? Now again, now it's become 1 here. So what is the basis of the question solving? X square minus 2 of ax and plus what next is a square is equal to x minus a whole square. If here plus, here will plus. Yeah, this is the basis of solving. So the third term is actually, so what should be the third term here? We need to think. So for this, the x accepting x, the term remaining, the terms after x will here, what is that? So twice a is equal to root 3. So what should be the third term here? So a is equal to root 3 by 2 is to be there. Means this is the third term here. So in that, this is the decision and critical point. If any students can do this, it means he learnt the method completing square. X square plus root 3 x is also there. Okay, so it's a first term is square, the second term is also the formula. So what is the third term? Root 3 by 2 is square. Either side this is to be added, either side of the equal sign this is to be added. Okay, and here is what? Minus 3 by 4. You may see this. So this is to be added either side. Clear or not? But listen here. So we think that root 3 by 2 were there, and 2 it is of the formula right now. So it's a 2ab. Is that clear? 2ab. 2ab is also there. Okay, so how can we think that? So we can solve in the same manner here. Do this. So 2 is there. Okay, so what time pattern we are observing? A square 2ab and b whole square. So it can be written as a plus b and whole square is equal to root 3 by 4. No, sorry. What is that? The solution 3 by 4 not. We need to do square here. So here you will obtain 3 and 2 square is what here? 4 minus 3 by 4 is also. So you may see what the quantity is coming here. The quantity is coming here 0, and it's x plus 3 by 2 and whole square is also. So this is that quantity here. What quantity you may see here? This the quantity that we have seen yesterday. This is the quantity actually, this quantity. So actually this quantity is becoming 0, means b square 4ac, okay, whole divided by 4a. So twice a is there. So this actually this is due to this, it's not becoming 0. It is becoming 0 due to this. Is that clear? So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 here. So you may think here b square minus 4ac quantity is actually predicting the solution. It is giving the idea about the solution, what will be the type of solution and what will be the nature of solution also. This will be the later topic. Okay, so further it can be written as, so x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0 obviously. So here you will see x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So you will think that only one value of x is coming, whereas the equation is quadratic. The equation is quadratic, its degree is 2. So there should 2 values of x come, but only one value is coming. So where does one value go? It does not go anywhere else. Actually, we think that the solutions are here same actually. Means both the zeros are here same. Both the zeros are here same. It means we can understand here b square 4ac quantity if equal to 0, then we can speak here roots are what? Roots are equal. Roots are equal. Is that clear? So this is the predictor. Means it will tell you that what type of nature, what is the nature of the solution will be there, and what is the nature of the roots will be there. Well understood you? Now see the next also. In this question, I think you have done this question. Now next question, find the root of the following equations. So this is to be solved. Yesterday I told you. I want to tell you this question. How can we solve this question? You may solve this. It's very simple. First you have to simplify the expression in the manner that what I am telling you. So look, what is to be the method to do here this? LCM, first is to take LCM. It's x plus 4 and x minus 7. This goes here. Okay, minus x plus 4. This goes here. They are always kept in bracket, parenthesis. Okay, so that sign will change here because. So open the bracket, x minus 7 minus x minus 4 also divided by a plus b a minus b. So it's x square, and they are sum in bracket minus 3, and their product at the last 28 in 11 by 30. Okay, so here will x cancel, and it's minus 11 divided by x square 3x 28 is equal to 11 divided by 30. Either side the same here, 1 will and 1 will. So here will be minus 1 divided by the same quantity will occur here, and 1 divided by 30. So as a cross multiplication, the quantities to be there. So here will minus 30, and it's x square and 3x and 28 also there. So here will x square 3x, and this is to be transferred here, minus plus is there, plus 2 is there, equation 2 0. So the quadratic equation came here. This which method you to imply here? Is it saying to use the completing square method? Not saying. You have to solve simply. So middle term splitting also can be implied, but there is limitation with the middle term splitting method. Some when the roots are the irrational types and some complex types appearance, then it cannot be predicted, right? So however, the best method is the formula method that we will use here. Okay, so try for that, any method you will employ here. Okay, you can solve right now. You will solve this. And now here the word problems are sum of reciprocal of Riemann-Roch, right? So these are the word problems that you have to solve. So two unknown quantities. First, what your task? You will bring here already situation, algebraic situations would have been given, but here you will make the equation, the word problem by yourself. Is that clear? Now please read the question 1. What is saying? The sum of Riemann's reciprocals of Riemann's age in 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Means the whole information about now age means the timeline is to be drawn here. Suppose now age is x. So year ago means you go to back here x minus 3, and from 5 years from now means you need to go up, means in the forward direction x plus 5. So about this age is giving you. What about this? The sum of reciprocal of Riemann's age in 3 years. Yes, the reciprocal is these two sum. So what you will do here is, so 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5u is equal to how much is it saying here? Is saying 1 by 3. Now there is an equation before you, and solve, and you will obtain the answer. But what is the method of solving question? The method of solving question will be that let the present age of Riemann's is x. So age before 3 years x minus 3, age after 5 years x plus 5, according to question. Their sum is this. Now solve and obtain the answer. Can you solve this or not? Okay, see the next please. The question number 4, fifth. In the test, the sum of cephalic marks in mathematics and English is 30. The two subject marks are there. So x and y can also be taken, and one you can take x and the other you can take 30. Okay, So what the question is, again, how can we do this? You may understand this, the method of taking this. Look please, the question, what is saying question? In class test, the sum of Cephalics marks in mathematics in English is this. So you will suppose let the marks in maths is X, and therefore in what? In English. What is in English? 30 minus X. You can also suppose as a Y, right? Had she got, now case is there, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, means this is a case here. Had she got 2 more mathematics, means X plus 2, this is the case here, and 3 marks less in English, means 3 marks reduced to here, it's a 27 minus X. These are the marks in math, these are the marks in English. Then their product would be there. Product will what here? According to cases there, X plus 2 and 27 minus X. Their product would be 210. Is the case here? Resolve it. So it shall be 27x and x square also plus 54. So I will suggest you not to multiply this. Okay. So 2 times 27 also there, and 2x is also there, and 210. So 20x, this is also, it's minus x square, and what is that here? 25, it's a 27x 2x. Okay, and there will be, yes, it's a numerical, so you need to solve this. Here 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. So minus of x square, 25 of x, and what is the difference? So 44 is also there. So 166 will come. 10 minus 4, 6. 10 minus 5. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5 is there also. 156 is equal to 0. So equation is what? This also can be written as negative x square 25x plus 156x. There is the equation before you. Now the quadratic equation is before you. Which method you want to solve this quadratic? Cross product, no sorry, completing square or the middle term splitting. Middle term splitting we are employing. 156 is 2, 7s are and 8 are, again 2, 3s are and 9s are, again 3, 13 is there. So we have the factors 2, 2, 3, 13. You are to set as 2 factors, so there is some difference must be 25. So we can, 2 can be set with this 26 and this can be here 6. Their difference is 32 and there, no, it's not coming again. So 2 2s are 4 and 3s are 12 and 13 1 is 13. Is there some? Yeah, 25. Now you can set the answer and bring answer please. Is that clear guys? The same method. So your answer 12 and 13. Next is also there. The diagonal of rectangle is 60 meter more than that. The questions, nobody else have asked me this, but you can solve this. Okay. The diagonal of, so please try for the question number 6 by yourself. 6 questions. Try for that here. Diagonal of rectangle. To try for the question number, I am giving 1 minute only. I am waiting for you to do. Okay. The question number 6 and 7 you have to do. Please try for that. I am waiting for that. Please do. Have you done a question here? If you have done the questions, that's very good. Now I'm telling the question number 8. 8 is also you have done already. The question number 9 I'm telling. What the question number 9? This is important question, and most of the time I have seen this. Two water taps together can fill tank in 9 hole 3 by 8. The water larger takes 10 hours to less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 hole 3 by 8. Okay. So there is this. Clear? So one is there, one tap and the other tap. The two taps are together filling that water, okay, at the same time. So you just have to understand here, it is when the two machines or men work together at the same time, then what happens, what gets added? I'm telling this, suppose that they are taken T hours, suppose they are taking 5 hours to fill. So how much water is poured by one tap in 1 hour, how much water is poured by a second tap in 1 hour, means continuously this process can be done here, this one by one. Okay. So two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 hole 3 by 8, 9 hole 3 by 8, both. Is that clear? So what is it saying here? Two water taps together fill tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. The tape of larger diameter takes 10 are less than the smaller to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tape can separately fill the tank. Is that clear? Two water taps together fill tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. The tape of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tape can separately fill the tank. Is that clear? So how can we do this? Please tell me. The water tape together can fill tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. Suppose V is the volume here. So one part of the volume is filled by tap 1, and the second is to filled by tap 2. Tap 1 and tap 2 are here. Okay. So the basic thing in measurement is when the two machines, two men together work, then their power gets added. Is that clear? So power is what? How much water, how much work, how much performance, their performance unit, in 1 second, in 1 minute, in 1 hours, how much work is to be done by them. This is called power. Okay. So your last line will give the hint. Find the time in which each tape can separately fill the tank. So you will suppose let the each tape will take, each tape means larger and smaller. So we'll suppose here let larger, the case is given larger diameter takes a smaller one. So first a smaller, like the smaller takes x hours to fill the tank. Okay, let the smaller takes x hour to fill the tank. Let the x takes x hours to fill the tank. Is that clear? If they take x hours to fill the tank, then therefore larger will be, what larger will be? Larger will be, the tape of larger will take 10 or less than that, x minus 10. clear, x minus 10, and further also x minus 10. Find the time word larger take 10 hours less than the small to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each step can separately fill the tank. This time we have found out. See guys, so to fill the tank is taking x and is taking x minus 10. So e power is what here. So therefore 1 hour water is 1 by x, okay, and what next is 1 by x minus 10. This is 1 hour water of larger diameter, this is 1 hour water is of a smaller diameter. What the case is given here? The case is both together fill in 9 by, so both together combined 1 hour water is 1 divided by 9 whole 3 by 8, okay. Combinedly 1 hour water by smaller combinedly 1 hour water, this is, then 1 hour combinedly is there, okay. Actually the solution up to here is the important. So 9 8s are 72, what will here come? 75 divided by 8, and this is also to be there. So 8 by 75 also is 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10, okay. It's x and x minus 10 also, and 8 by 75. Clear? What is to be done then? It's x minus 10 and x is also. So here will 2x minus 10 and it's x square and 10x. And what next is there? 2x minus 10. Cross multiplication can be done here. This 150x, 758x, 8x square and 80x. So 8x square transfer to that 150 plus 230x, and here next is 750 is equal to 0. 8 230 this also. So can be written as x square, okay, and here 4 is also there, 230 and 750. Eight x square, 230 and 750 can be cancelled. 2 can be 2, and here 115 and 2 3s are and 2 7s are and 2 5s are is equal to 0 also. So 4 of x square 115 of x is 375 is equal to 0. There is quadratic equation, okay. So by arranging this to bring here as a sum or difference, you first have to check whether you have done any wrong or right. So 9 8 is 70 to 75 by 8, 8 will go as a numerator, okay. So LCM is there, x minus 10 and x, okay. Here x square minus 10x, 2x, and here is what? This 75 double 150 and 750 also there, 8x square and 80. So 8x square, this is to be transferred that side. These both term to be transferred to the right side. So 8x square positive, it is correct, and 150 to be transferred here. So negative will be there, okay. 80 minus 150 minus 230, this is correct, minus 230, okay, and 750 transferred to that side, positive will be here. So here positive will come. So what is common? 2 is common in them. 115, 4x square, 375. Now we have checked, okay. So not need to solve this equation, they already here given this, okay, simplified. Now 4 and 75. So 4 is made up of 75. What are the 75's factor here? 3, 1 is, and 2 is, and 5 is. 25 is also there, 5 is, and 5 is. Clear? And 5 is also there. 3 triple 5. 3 triple 5. 3 triple 5. Need to arrange to bring 115. So 2 5 together and these together. So it will here 25. It will give you 15. Okay. So 4 can combine with 24. 100 will and 15. Yes. 100 plus 15. We arrange here this. This is the rough task. Clear? So the expression can be written as 4x square 100 plus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0, and 100x minus 15x plus 375 and 0 also. Positive, negative. What is common in them? 4x common, x left here, and 25 also. 15 is common, x left here, and 25 will also. Throughout x minus 25, 4x minus 15 is equal to 0 also. X minus 25 is equal to 0, and 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 25, 15, and x is equal to 15 by 4. Is that clear? There is answer here before. X is equal to 25, x is equal to 15 by 4. Clear, guys? Well understood. So the value 25 hours this will take. So your answer is the larger will take, therefore smaller will take 25 hours, and larger will take 25 minus 15 by 10, 15. Your answer. Clear? So similarly you can solve the 10th question also. Your assignment of the day, question number 10, question number 11. You will solve tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. You will give the offline test here from home. Okay, is that clear? And you will download the paper PDF file here, and you will write the answer sheet and will send me this. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Your assignment of the day is 10, 11.